Hey guys, kind of cold beer here, holding us hot food. Hands are dirty, doing a lot of body work. Really dirty. Look. But it is smooth as a race truck. How nice and smooth that is. Beautifully done. Top through rim. Yeah. Good. Oh, what? Oh, there you go. Well, no, it's, oh, there you go. Just go to the fucking phone. Like, holy shit, oh my god, my dad's gonna kill me. Like, what in the world did you do in my final cover? It's called Bondo dust. You know, guys, I started the body work at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I didn't get done until 7 o'clock tonight. I'll show you why. Not because of this. This part's easy. The hard part, I had to take scissors. I had to roll up the screen here. I had to cut it with scissors. I had to take Bondo, pop one end of Bondo here, one end of Bondo there, and go right behind the wheel well. So I'll show you guys right now what I'm talking about, so you guys know. Let me show you. So as you can see there, that's what I did. I know it's not the greatest look on the inside, but hey, who's going to be looking on the inside, right? It's not done. I'm going to get more Bondo. I'm going to finish Bondoing over top of that screen. But it's on there. It's on the inside. So I'll get some more Bondo. That's what it looks like from the far distance. And I'll finish that up. Get all that done on the inside. And yeah, I just ran out of Bondo. So I'll get some more Bondo and get that all finished up. And we shall be good. And there's what the... Like I said, that is as smooth as a racetrack. Look at how smooth that is. That's what I mean, guys. Got an old Chevrolet truck. Old Chevys never die, they just get faster. You just, like any other vehicle out there, whether it's a Ford or a Dodge, you give it some TLC, some tender love and love, you got yourself a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Just take some TLC, that's all it takes. You're like these people that gotta run out every day. Oh, my vehicle's got rust on it, I need to trade it in and buy a new one. You don't need to buy a new vehicle. It's called put some fucking tender loving care into your vehicle, and you don't have to worry about going out and buying a new vehicle every fucking time. It's just people being lazy. They don't want to put their effort and their charisma into the body work. If you can just know how to use Bondo, and you know how to sand the Bondo down so it stays nice and smooth as a racetrack, you know how to spray paint properly, you shouldn't have to go out and spend money on trading your vehicle in for a brand new one. You just call it some tender love and fucking care. That's all you need to do. Look at that body work. Look at it. It's as smooth as a racetrack. In my opinion, if you trade in your vehicle every time for a new one, to me you're just a lazy person. You're just somebody that doesn't want to put the money, the effort, and the time into the tender loving care. Obviously, you don't love your vehicle enough. You don't love it. You don't care about it. You don't care. So if you're that kind of person and don't want to put the tender love and care into fixing up your vehicle to make it look nice, well, then you just don't give a fuck about your vehicle. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. I'm like Tim Allen. I'm identical to Tim Allen. Like, I was watching Whistling Diesel on YouTube. I'm pretty sure Tim Allen met him in real life. He'd be very depressed. Because, like Tim Allen said on the Home Improvement Show, the worst thing you would ever see is somebody destroying a vehicle. I've never seen Tim Allen destroy a vehicle. Honestly to God. Okay, maybe that's a lie. Maybe he dropped the beam on the Chevy Nomad wagon. That was bad. I remember that episode. He's like, "Oh, my wife's gonna kill me." Oh, for a Nomad wagon, he flattened it like a pancake. Okay, okay. Maybe he won't mind Whistling Diesel after all. Maybe he'll say, yeah, but then still, Whistling Diesel, he wrecks vehicles on purpose. Tim Allen didn't really wreck the Nomad on purpose. It was just an accident that, well, okay, maybe he did. Maybe it was part of an episode. I don't freaking know. Do I like wrecking vehicles? Demolition Derby, I do. I love Demolition Derby. Fuck, everybody loves Demo Derby. You'd be nuts not to like Demo Derby. But when it comes to wrecking vehicles that are nice, no, I can't. Like, I don't even think I'd even have the guts to sell this truck to Whistling Diesel. I don't know. I say that until he hand me over the money. Then I'd probably be like, money, truck, money, truck. Like, if he handed me over a shit ton of money and said, I'll buy a truck off you, wreck you for a YouTube skit, I'd probably be like, money, truck, money, truck. If it's enough money, I'll take the money. I'll buy my dad a new truck. Sir, go ahead with some diesel, eat your heart out. Smash it up on a YouTube video, go for it. I'll take my dad out buying a new truck. It's a shame though, like yeah, the alloy rims. The rims is what killed me. So yeah, I don't know if I could sit back and watch Whistling Diesel destroy those nice, beautiful rims. Beautiful black alloys there. I couldn't do it. Those beautiful step guards along the back, all black. Beautiful vinyl cover. I don't know. I don't know if Whistling Diesel would wreck this truck or not. He'd either wreck it or he might change his mind and say, I don't know. It's a little tender love and care. That's all she needs. I don't think I could sell it to Whistling Diesel though, because if it ever happened to my dad, well, this is all I really got left to remember my dad buy is this old truck. So I think I'll keep the truck. I think I'll hang on to it. Yep. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I'm not a big fan of Whistling Diesel. I find the things he does kind of funny. Gotta admit, the guy is funny. Yeah, he's got a good sense of humor. He doesn't smash all vehicles. He's just see people come on Whistling Diesel and complain, oh, you smash vehicles, you don't love vehicles. I don't think that's true. I think he's just smashing vehicles for entertainment. Did he smash some nice vehicles? Absolutely. Like that red 79 Chevrolet truck, I would have never wrecked that. I would have kept that. That truck was mint. I would have bought that Chevrolet truck off him. If I had the money, I would have bought it off him. Hell, I would have did a trade. I would have took the 79 red Chevy and gave him this one. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. Actually, I would. You know why? Because I noticed on the 79 Chevy, it didn't have this. 4X4 stands for 4x4. Anyways, guys, wait a sec. I gotta go drain the main vein. Everybody's on the inside of the house watching TV. Fast and the Furious 1. Paul Walker. Rest in peace, Paul Walker. Yeah, Paul Walker was a good actor, though, guys. Rest in peace to him. That's it. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, it's my vehicle, the Dodge Journey. There you go. Let's go grab another Cody. Cooler in the back. There we go. Done. Alrighty, guys, crack the lackey. Slacky. Cheers. That was blue. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna do a double upload tonight for you guys because it's been a long while for I've done a video, so I'll do a double upload and then yeah. So I'll see you in the next vid. I'm out.